So you want to start an Etsy shop for digital products but have no idea where to start, what types of digital products are trending right now, and what type of products you can actually create and get sales. The competition on Etsy can be really big for some digital products, so that is why it is super important to do the research before starting your Etsy shop so you can have a successful shop and make sales. And that is why in today's video I will show you 6 different niches in which you can start creating digital products that I've already done the research for you. We will go through the shop idea, and for each idea that I've researched for you already, you will learn 5 different products that you can create for your shop, keywords and tags that I've researched that you can add to your Etsy listing, the competition and monthly searches for those tags. I will show you how much money a popular listing in that niche is making so you can have a successful listing and make sales. So let's begin with the first idea. The first Etsy digital products shop idea is that of a Canva template shop for Instagram. So this shop is all about creating social media templates for Instagram. And a few product ideas that you can create for your shop are Instagram post templates, stories templates, highlights covers templates, reels and reels covers, and of course bundles out of all of each because those are usually selling best. Now let's go through a few keywords that you can target for your shop more specifically so you can start a successful Etsy shop. The next shop idea is that of an invitation Etsy digital product shop. So you'll be selling the templates for those invitations. And a few product ideas are birthday invitation template, party invitation templates such as for a baby shower or a gender reveal, wedding invitation templates, graduation invitation templates, and bridal shower invitation templates. Let's go through the keywords and I will give you a few really great ones so you can start creating your products today. Now the next shop idea is a bit more competitive, but it is possible to thrive in this niche if you target specific keywords and if you keep your shop niched. And that is wall art printables. So these are not templates, they are just printables that you're offering your customers, and they just print them out and use them in frames or simple. And you can do quote printables, wildflowers printables, boho printables, abstract ones, or kids printables for nurseries or educational posters. Let's go through more tags together. The next Etsy digital product shop idea is for digital planners and stickers. And for these, you can create, for example, iPad digital planners for productivity, for business, a content calendar, a wedding planner, and of course, you can offer different planner stickers, such as different notes, stickers for dates or for months, and much more. Let's go through more details together. And the last Etsy shop idea for digital products are cards. Now, these can be a thank you card, a business card template, business cards with photos templates, cards for how to care for and care instructions for different types of products templates, and then a really good keyword that is searched out a lot are customizable, personalized Christmas handmade cards that people can just edit and print them out to put on the Christmas present. Now, let me show you a few more keywords that will do really well on Etsy. So there you go, these are 6 highly searched for and researched Etsy shop ideas for digital products that will bring you a lot of sales if you keep at it and you research your products before creating them. If you've enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas and some inspiration to work on your Etsy shop, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos. If you want to use Canva to start creating templates and sell them on Etsy but are just a beginner and don't know where to start, in this video right here I share a full tutorial for absolute beginners at Canva. So make sure to watch that to learn everything you need to know to create those templates. Don't forget to also follow me on social media for more tips on growing online and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.